Understanding, to lay a wreath, a gesture of remembrance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and symbolic phrase in the English language, to lay a wreath. This expression is not just about the physical act of placing a wreath, but carries deep meanings and traditions. Let's explore its significance and use, so you can confidently incorporate it into your English vocabulary. To lay a wreath refers to the act of placing a wreath, which is a circular arrangement of flowers and leaves, at a particular location as a sign of respect, remembrance, or mourning. This gesture is commonly associated with commemorating soldiers who have died in war, significant public figures, or loved ones. The circular shape of the wreath symbolizes eternal life, reflecting the enduring memory of those being honored. The tradition of laying wreaths has roots in ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans, who used wreaths as crowns to honor victors and heroes. Over time, this practice evolved into a symbol of remembrance for the deceased. Today, laying a wreath is a solemn gesture observed in many cultures around the world during memorial services, funerals, and annual remembrance days such as Veterans Day or Memorial Day in the United States, and Remembrance Day in Commonwealth countries. 1. Describing a ceremony. The president laid a wreath at the war memorial to honor fallen soldiers. 2. Expressing personal action. We lay a wreath on my grandfather's grave every year to remember his legacy. 3. In news reports, thousands gathered as community leaders laid wreaths to commemorate the victims of the tragedy. Using "to lay a wreath" in sentences can add depth to your storytelling, especially when talking about acts of commemoration or respect. To lay a wreath is a phrase that encapsulates deep respect, remembrance, and honor. Whether it's used in historical contexts, personal moments of reflection, or ceremonies, this expression carries a profound meaning. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of this beautiful gesture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you.